Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add an Instagram feed on Squarespace in just a few simple steps. Click the Add Block button to open the block selection menu. Click into the search box at the top, type Instu to filter the results. Then click the Instagram block from the list that appears. The Instagram block is added to your page as a placeholder. Click anywhere on the Instagram block to open its settings panel on the right side of your screen. In the settings panel, click the Choose an Account drop-down to see your connection options. Click Add an Account to start the Instagram authorization process, and a Connecting Account pop-up appears. Click the OK button to proceed to the Instagram login window. The Instagram authorization page loads where you can sign in to connect your account. Click into the username field to start entering your Instagram credentials and complete the connection. If your Instagram account doesn't appear in the drop-down after connecting, refresh the page and open the block settings again. You can adjust how many posts display and change the layout style in the same settings panel by scrolling down to the display options. If you need to disconnect an Instagram account later, go back into the block settings, click the account drop-down, and select Remove Account at the bottom of the list. And that's how to add an Instagram feed on Squarespace. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.